As part of this sectional module, first we have made sure that data is set up properly. Once we made sure data is set up properly, we have even understood how to analyze the data so that we can perform the joins using those datasets. Before getting into the details related to joins, let's define problem statements. We'll come back to these problem statements and provide solutions once we understand basics of joins. We'll be using 2008 January air traffic data along with airport codes to solve these problems. There might be additional problems also, but at least we'll be covering these problem statements. The first problem statement is nothing but get number of flights departed from each of the US airport, then get number of flights departed from each of the state. Then get the list of airports in the US from which flights are not departed. So there might be airports which are dormant, they might not be used actively. We want to get those list of airports. This is an example for outer join. We will also check if there are any origins in air traffic data which do not have record in airport codes. This is primarily to check the quality of our data. If we have any data in air traffic where we do not have data in airport codes, then we have to be concerned about it. Then we will be seeing the total number of flights from the airports that do not contain entries in airport codes. Then get the number of flights per airport that do not contain entries in airport codes. So these are the few tasks which we'll be performing to ensure that we have understood joins and we are able to solve the problems using the joins. There might be few more tasks, but these are few of the things which I want to highlight. The other task might be based upon retail DB dataset. These are the tasks which we will be performing using air traffic data along with airport codes.